All right, guys, got this 2010 Toyota Highlander Limited. Here's your tool. Just like the title says, this is to loosen the serpentine belt the easiest way I can think of how to do it. Take any kind of wrench, preferably closed end wrench, a 14 mil. Tie a just a ratchet strap or a rope or whatever you want. Just tie that to it on the other end. So that's why it kind of works out to have these bent angles just really nicely. It's a little bit tight down in here unless you remove the water pump to get tension on there and still have good working room to get this serpentine belt back in place. So I just figured this out, and this is what I did. So I took this guy down in here. I believe I just removed that panel. So 2 bolts down in here to get access into here. Sorry, I'm gonna have a little shaky camera while I get set up for you guys. If I can get so tight down in here. All right, so boy, is that hurt to see. So right up there, just about center screen now. There's your pull. Your oh Jesus Christ, it is so tight up in here. There's your. You want to get this 14 on. Hang on, I'll get it on there. I'll show you what I'm getting at here. Sorry about the camera work, but it'll be worth it. You got to trust me on this. All right. So basically, you're just hanging that sucker on there like this. If you want a little bit more mechanical advantage, get a little bit higher. So I'll show you what we got going on here. All right, so there you go. So the wrench is locked on there. We got the, I parked myself in the worst position for this job. We've got our ratchet strap. And now we can take a good grip on it here with our left hand. As you will see, hopefully you'll see that wrench down there center screen, pulling on it right now. Boom, okay? You'll get a really good crank on that thing so you can really torque this thing backwards. You'll be able to reach your right arm down in here and manipulate that belt very easily. It took me a while to figure that out, but hopefully this short clip helps you all.